Okay guys, welcome you to today's class. Let's quickly do this very simple design that I really want to show you guys. Okay, so I want you guys to sit back and relax and really pay a very good attention to what I'm about to do right now. It's going to be a very simple design that will help you, in shaping the way you design. And I Bolaji Johnson, I'm used to simple designs, and the best way I can teach you guys on how to come up with simple design is going to your Google search, get a background that matches with the subject of your project. Alright, so I'm working with a particular project, and it's a car dealer company. Alright, so I want to come up with a very fabulous and luxurious type of graphic design. Okay, so I did this. Alright, I did this. So, and this is not really what I call a luxurious type of design. So I'm going to use this same format or this same type of design to come up with a more beautiful design. Okay, so these are the information. So what I need to do now is to make this bigger. Okay, I think the size that they needed is 8 by 4. All right, 8 by 4. Then this is the background I wish to use. Okay, all right, so hope you are seeing this. Okay, now this is the name of the company. Okay, right, the logo of the company. Okay, hope you guys are watching. This is just a simple way to get your designs done. Alright, you don't need to worry yourself or looking for a better way to come up with a very good and luxurious design. Okay, so I need to make it look blue. And alright, so all I need to do is to go to and look for glow flare. Okay, I'm going to use this. Okay, so okay, this is what I want to achieve. Then go to spring, or let's do this first. Alt B, convert to bitmap, then do this, bitmap it again, then transparent to bitmap it again, transparent to by the right, bitmap it again, transparent to by the left, then bitmap it again. Alright, then go back to your transparent to, come over here, then locate string. Okay, this is it. So if this is not okay by you, you can actually come back here. Let's pick this. Let me pick this. Okay, then come to transparent to, bitmap it, transparent to, bitmap it, transparent to, bitmap it, transparent to, bitmap it. this is exactly what it means to come up with a very good luxurious way of design. So I believe you guys understood and see the way I'm able to come up with this beautiful design in just 5 minutes. Okay, this is it. It's as simple as this. Fantastic design. Then let's go back again and come up with another beautiful design. But this time around it's going to be this car. So let's go back and look for a very nice background that we can use. Alright. Let's make use of this background. Okay, let's go in, delete this, okay, so delete this, so I'm bringing this here. Can you see that? This here. So it is as simple as this. You don't need to bother yourself so much. The only thing I can teach you in my class is this. Make sure you know the type of project you are working on. Go to your Google search and search for a beautiful and good background that goes along in line with the subject of the project. It is as simple as that. You don't need to, you don't need to bother yourself over how you can come up with some beautiful design. My take on you guys is this: always have it in mind. Always come up with a good concept. Good concept comes within you, not from me. It comes within you. By the time you have this concept within yourself, it will be very easy for you to go to your Google search and search for a very complementary background that will go along in line with your subject matter. So look at this for instance. You can see how I'm able to come up with this. It is very simple to come up with all this fantastic, way of design. I can decide to put this here. Then this, make it more fantastic. Okay, and I can bring this up here. This is as easy and simple as this. It's as simple as this. Okay, so I can also decide to duplicate this. All right, I can decide to duplicate this and bring it here. You see that? So it is a matter of having a good concept inside of you. Or if I don't want to do this, if I don't want to use the same type of car, let's go back to our Google search. Let's look for car. Let's look for a car, another type of car. Okay, you will definitely find one. All right, you will definitely find one. So I'm looking for another color type of car. Okay, so let me pick up this. Right, so let's go back. Okay, oh, this is not good enough. Let me look for another. Let me see this. Copy, paste, import Alright, import. Okay, delete this. Alright, go back, come here, upload it. Okay, search for it. Right, then hold on while it's cropping it by itself. This is an app that helps you crop out a background from any object. It helps you to crop out a background from any object. I've taught you guys in one of my class, and the site is remove BG, remove background, remove BG. So I think it's taking a longer time. Let's go back. I only refreshed because it's taking longer time. It will come up soon. Alright, so this is it. Download it, then copy it. Alright, then come here and place it. Or let's do it in a ranking manner. This is bigger, alright. So what you need to do is this. Make this come up bigger. Then bring this here, page up, bring this here. Right, this is simple as you can see. So it is as simple as this. So guys, I believe we've all learned one or two things and the way I'm able to come up with this very beautiful design. So before I end up this class, so let's go back and search for a flare. Right, let's search for a flare or glow flare. So let me take this. Copy, paste it here. So transparent background, transparent, transparent. So the next thing for you to do is to go back to your transparent toolbox, click on this last bit, then click this one. Okay, this way. It's as simple as this. So just to add some effects, to it. Alright. So you need to add some effect to it to give it life. Alright. This is the end of my class for today. I hope this will go a very long way in your teaching faculty and also the way you can design so far. So it is so easy. Now I made a mistake here. Alright, so I need to page it up. Right. So to make it move. It is as simple as this. So guys, if you have anything you want me to or you want me to know, or you don't really understand, contact me in the comment section. I'll be there to plan you guys. Thank you for watching. Bye. God